Need to replace your Audi Q8 key fob battery? Don't worry, it's a simple process. First, locate the slide release button on the side of the fob. It is typically marked with a key icon. Press this button to slide out the emergency mechanical key. Next, carefully split the fob casing. Use a small flathead screwdriver, a coin, or a plastic pry tool in the small slot located on the side to gently pry the two halves apart. Be very careful to avoid damaging the waterproof gasket or O-ring inside. This protects the fob from moisture. Now, you should have access to replace the battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up. The positive side is typically up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction. Ensure the battery is securely in place using the plastic clip or metal retainer to hold it in. Carefully reassemble the key fob halves, making sure the waterproof gasket is seated correctly. Press the two halves firmly together until they click. Test the fob to ensure it's working. Remember, using genuine parts maintains keyless entry range. If the fob is under warranty, consider consulting an Audi dealer to avoid voiding it. A DIY replacement saves $50 to $100 compared to dealer service, but incorrect polarity can damage the circuit board, so pay attention to the correct orientation.